Hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat mga kapatid kong star viewers. Kamusta po kayong lahat dito? So today is 9/9, September 9. What a lucky 9, a lucky number. So, ang reading natin ngayon is anong swerte ang pumapanig sa iyo ngayon at this moment. So guys, this is timeless. So, whenever you watch this video, this reading, meaning may importanteng mensahe para sa iyo, no? So, you are receiving a lucky message or a lucky whatever na swerte para sa iyo na ikaw ay matutuwa when you hear this reading. Okay? So, meron tayong two piles here. Pile number 1, I don't know what you call this. Okay. Pakiramdaman niyo po ang inyong intuition kung aling pile kayo nadodrone or tumatawag sa inyo ng atensyon. Okay, ang cute naman ito, no? Yes, so bago kayo pumili, pause niyo muna yung video and then tanungin niyo muna ang inyong intuition kung aling pile, no, na para sa inyo na dapat yung piliin. Kung ano ang swerte na inyong matatanggap so soon. Okay? Alright, so ready na tayo. Pile number 1. For those who choose pile number 1, kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid? Ayusin ko lang ito. So itatabi natin tabi natin itong number 2 muna. So set aside muna yung 2, pile number 1 muna tayo. Okay? Kamusta kayong lahat mga kapatid kong pile number 1? I know you guys are excited, but before that, kunin muna natin ng inyong current energy, pile number 1. Spirit Angels, ano ang current energy ng ating mga minamahal na star viewers, pile number 1? Kamusta ang ating pile number 1? So, you guys are doing well. Wow. Meron ditong namimiss ang inyong partner. Meron ditong distance. You have been waiting patiently sa iyong partner, sa iyong minamahal, hindi lang sa partner. It could be your loved ones, your parents. Siguro you have been waiting for this journey, itong good news, no, na ikaw ay makakauwi. Meron naman ditong, yes, happy ka na makakauwi ka na. No, hindi. It's because there's something na nagbabother sa iyo or whatever it is, para bang uuwi ka na may bigat sa dibdib. It could be something about sa relationship na I'm not sure about this ha. Kasi again guys, general reading po ito. Kunin nyo lang po kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Kung hindi naman, wag lang tayong magalit at wag tayong bitter. Okay? Okay. So, right? Meron kasi ditong excited na makakauwi. I know you guys are happy and waiting for this. Kaya lang, meron namang hindi naman excited because it could be kulang sa pera, sa financial, or you are worrying about your partner. Siguro worried ka rin na pagka makauwi ka na, makakabalik ka pa ulit or makakabalik ka pa kaya ulit sa dati mong pinagtatrabahuan or your current job. Dahil siguro nga na kumikita ka naman, okay naman yung financial nyo, kaya lang uuwi ka na, kikita ka pa rin kaya ulit ng the same amount. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I'm sure na your family are happy to receive this good news. Para sa kanila, good news na makakauwi ka na at makakasama ka na nila, especially with your partner. And yung partner mo na nasa bahay or away from you, this person's been waiting for you. This person's been nagiging mas pasensyosa siya, you know, for you to be able to come home finally. Yeah. Okay. Meron naman dito na malapit nang uwi, kaya lang worried. Something about worried ka. Worried sa financial or worried ka sa relationship or worried ka rin ba na baka hindi ka na makakabalik muli. Whatever it is, something na baka hindi ka na makakabalik muli sa trabaho or something about sa relationship na worried ka sa pag-uwi mo. Okay. What else, Spirit Guardians? Ano pa ang current situation ng ating mga minamahal na star viewers? Okay. If ever guys na hindi ka nakaka-resonate dito, meaning baka hindi ito para sa inyo. Tell us more about our viewers. The moon. Someone is like drowning. Maybe meron sa inyo dito ay, maybe you are facing with multiple people or multiple suitors. And meron ditong secretly, maybe you are, siguro ikaw itong secretly pasikreto, siguro dalawa sila na mahal mo, na hindi mo alam kung alin sa kanila ang pipiliin mo, or vice versa, baka ikaw ito na you might be dealing with third party situation. Yeah. Or it could be something na, okay, hold on. Let's clarify about this, the moon, more. What is this, the moon, for pile number 1, Spirit Angels? Okay. There's something na tinatago-tago mo, kapatid, na hindi mo kailangan, or baka napupuno ka na. You might be drowning. Parang hindi ka na makakahinga. Dahil matagal mo na tong tinatago-tago or nililihim. Yeah. Siguro sa partner mo na may nililihim ka, na hindi mo ma-express itong nararamdaman mo. You are trying your best to like, stay on your ground. Stay put ka muna. No? 9 of Wands. Okay. Yeah, maybe you are stuck. Something about your worry. Something about na may worries ka. Ano bang mga worries mo? Yeah, maybe you are trying your best. Maybe you are worried. Siguro inaalala mo itong mga past event, past situation. Failure of relationship. Siguro you are afraid to open your heart with someone new sa panibagong yugto, relationship, or friendship. I'm also getting like friendship. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting like, in physically, sa itsura mo ngayon, you are showing, pinapakita mo sa mga tao na matatag ka, unbeatable, na hindi ka basta-basta umiiyak, or hindi ka basta-basta naaninag ng mga problema, and that's how people sees you. Yan ang nakikita ng mga tao sa iyo. Okay, pile number 1, they are a fighter, matatag, malakas, fearless, passionate, masayahin. But deep down, there's something hidden. Ikaw lang nakakaalam. There's a relationship, or there's something about like, you are afraid, na takot kang mag-open up. Or you are just like, kinikimkim mo lang itong mga lihim. Itong takot mo sa relationship, itong mga worries mo sa financial, sa friendship, or sa sarili mo. Yeah. I'm getting like, dinadamdam mo itong mag-isa. You are afraid to open up your worries to anybody. Takot ka na, you know, i-share mo yung mga problema mo sa pamilya o friendship, kasi nga yung iba naman sa inyo, I'm getting like, masilan itong problema mo. Hindi siya basta-basta na mai-open. Siguro this could be also sa finances or relationship. Malakas talaga dito ang relationship, ano? Na worried ka. Okay. It's like, you have been through a lot. Pagsubok, ang dami mong pagsubok sa buhay. But then again, pinapakita mo sa lahat, kaya mo to. Naging mas matatag ka. Nagpapakatatag ka para sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo, sa pangarap mo. Hindi mo pinapakita sa kanila ang iyong kahinaan. That's the energy that I'm getting for you, pile number 1. Okay? So, kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate sa reading na itong pile number 1's energy, meaning this is not your pile number 1, or maybe this is the pile that you're not supposed to get. Maybe you should get the other pile. Baka drawn naman kayo sa ibang pile. Try nyo lang po yung ibang pile, baka makaka-resonate kayo kung hindi kayo dito sa pile number 1 nakaka-resonate. Kung hindi naman, then maybe this whole reading is not for you. Okay, wag lang tayong bitter. Mahal ko po kayo at sana'y ganito din kayo sa akin. Love, love, love. Spread the love and more understanding and more patient. Okay, so move on na tayo. Alamin na natin kung tungkol saan itong swerte na iyong matatanggap. You know, during this could be month of September because this reading is being held on the month of September 9. Alright. Okay, may sulat ako dito. Kuha tayo ng dalawa. Pile number 1, ano tungkol saan itong swerte na matatanggap nila? Spirit Guardian Angels. Kuha lang tayo ng swap. Okay. Isa pa. We have here friendship. What else? Sa kanina, nabanggit ko na rin yung friendship kanina. Pile number 1. Travel. Maybe you are worrying about this travel. Kanina nasabi ko rin. Maybe you are worrying about makakabalik ka pa kaya? Makakapag-abroad ka pa kaya? You know? Yan, nasabi ko na yan kanina. Then again, ang swerte ay nasa sayo. Darating itong swerte para sayo. Swerte ka sa friendship and travel. So, guys, tanggalin nyo na itong mga worries, ito nagpa-bother sa'yo because soon, you will be receiving a good news about this friendship and travel. Okay? Alamin pa natin more. Our spirit ka rin just. Pile number 1's swerte ng ating pile number 1 more. Friendship and travel. Opportunity. Mayroon kayong matatanggap na opportunity for maybe new friendship and opportunity sa pagka-travel. Oh my God. We have here the runner. Maybe you are running away from somebody and I'm getting like run fast as much as you can because you are soon receiving this travel. I'm getting like codependent relationship. I'm getting like energy of you are healing, mga kapatid, or you will be meeting this person. Mamimit mo itong taong ito. Meron ako nakukuhang from friendship to relationship. Wow. Meron itong ano may ano ba yun? Someone is going to reveal their feelings towards you. May magpaparamdam sa'yo. Okay? Ikaw lang nakakaalam kung sino ito from friendship to relationship. Okay? The Phoenix, new face, rekindle. Again, meron siguro dito sa inyo, there is like a rekindle, reunite with you and your person, friendship. Okay? Meron siguro nito magkikita kayo or may magta-travel, bibisita. Or this could be you na finally magkikita na kayo ng friends mo na matagal mo nang hindi nakita. Or magkikita with, maybe you have to travel in order for you na makita mo yung friends mo. And I'm also getting, during your travel, you are meeting this person. A new person, a new friendship na mabubuo. And I'm also getting like, malakas talaga itong relationship and friendship. Wow. Okay. Heart with a key. So again, guys, after the rain, there will be a rainbow. Dahil nga siguro nasaktan ka na, na-betrayed ka na noon ng friendship, na-betrayed ka na ng ex-partner mo or sa mga karelasyon mo, but then again, you are moving forward. Yeah, so you will be meeting the one. The one will open your heart. Okay? Ang susi na siyang makapagbibigay sa iyo ng saya, a new beginning, a new friendship. I'm also getting like a new job, a new opportunity sa trabaho, sa pagta-travel. Kung ikaw itong nag-worry na makakabalik ka pa kaya sa trabaho o makakabalik ka pa kaya ano ba tawag dun? Kapa kaya sa pagta-travel or business, kasi meron itong pagta-travel eh. Yes, there is a key o an opportunity for you na magta-travel ka. So do not lose hope, mga kapatid. Huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa kasi meron ito, ang swerte ay nasa sayo. Swerte ka, siswertehin ka sa pagta-travel, siswertehin ka of this coming friendship, new friendship, na may mabubuong friendship, from friendship to relationship, meron naman dito sa inyo. Okay? Meron itong rekindle, reunite. Yeah. Number 9 is about unity, fulfillment, return. Meron siguro magbabalik. Again, nasabi ko na yun kanina, may magbabalik. Yes. So we have here mirror. Mirror each other, self-image, relationship reflect our wants, introspection. So again, you guys are healing and this could be your person. Siguro meron itong na-betrayed sa friendship or a relationship. This person is coming back or you two are feeling the same way. Especially if you are dealing with your soulmate. Yeah. If you are dealing with your soulmate, someone here is like feeling betrayed. Okay? You have been feeling this burden. Parang matagal mo na itong nararamdaman, mga kapatid. Itong bigat sa karelasyon, no, na parang ayaw mo nang mag-open up, ayaw mo nang magmahal muli, but then again, the luck is in your side. Merong magbabalik, but again, it's up to you kung tatanggapin mo itong taong ito. If you want to reunite with this person because this person is coming back, siguro iniwan ka ng itong taong ito sa ere na wala man ng pasabi, but then again, you two are feeling the same way. Soon, it's time to reunite. Meron itong clarity. You guys are mirroring each other. Yeah. Kung anong nararamdaman mo ngayon sa kanya, ganun din ang nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Okay? And I'm also getting like, you guys are moving on, moving forward. Your life is moving forward faster. And this is a good news. Good news ito para sa inyo. Lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay na-broken hearted sa taong ito or from friendship. You guys are moving forward. There's like a new beginning, new friendship, new relationship, travel. Okay? An opportunity for travel. The butterfly, see? Relationship evolving to the next phase, healing the inner child, growth. So meron itong growth, pagbabago, you guys are growing. You guys are expanding. You guys are changing into like a beautiful butterfly. This is a good news. Claim this, mga kapatid. Affirm this. You are changing. You are moving forward. You are moving on, releasing all these burdens. Tama na to. Tama na itong mga pagod. Tama na itong mga people na they really, parang yung feeling na hindi ka naman nila na-appreciate, then let go. Let go those people na hindi ka naman na-appreciate. Because there's new people coming in. It's time to release. I-release niyo na po yung mga tao na hindi ka naman na-appreciate. Yung mga tao na hindi naman binabalik yung loyalty mo sa kanila. Yung pagmamahal mo sa kanila. Job-related, friendship, relationship, it's time to release. Because there's a new coming. Marami ka pang makikilala. New beginning. You are changing. You guys more on, like again, I'm so proud of you, pile number 1, because you are evolving. In a physically and emotionally. You guys are getting more stronger. And you are following your intuition. You guys are very psychic here, pile number 1. Changes, pagbabago, malaking pagbabago sa iyo. You are there's a growth, transformation. Yeah. And that's what people sees you. Nakikita ng mga tao na ikaw ay nagbabago. You change a lot. Even sa relasyon mo. Meron naman dito sa relationship, if you are currently in a relationship, there's a changes. Magandang pagbabago. Maybe this is the right time for you and your partner na magta-travel kayong dalawa, pareho. Maybe you need this travel, alone time. Meron kasi dito na rekindle. Your soulmate is about to, you are about to meet your soulmate, pile number 1. Maybe you are, siguro kadil mo nga yung, ang tawag ito, yung twin flame, maybe, because we have here the runner and mirror. You two are the key for happiness. Kung ano yung mga sakitan, itong mga hot and cold situation, it's time to reunite. It's up to you if you want to accept these people, this person, a friendship and relationship. Passion, again, if you guys are in a current relationship, may mag-i-evolve sa karelasyon mo ngayon, sa inyong dalawa. More on passion, chemistry, love. You guys are enjoying. This is, okay, the luck is on your side when it comes to your relationship. Mas nananaig pa ang inyong pagmamahal ng iyong partner. Okay? Wow. Healthy choices. Making healthy choices. Again, meron tayo kanina, di ba, nasabi ko, third party situation. Piliin nyo. You have this, a time. Okay? The time is, ano ba yun? The time is ticking. So you have the chance, an opportunity to choose the right person. Isipin nyo ng maigi, alalahanin nyo ng maigi, I'm sorry, kung alin sa kanila. Okay? Ang para sa'yo. Ang siya nagbibigay ng, or nakaka-appreciate sa'yo. Ang siyang minamahal ka ng mas malalim. Yung nararamdaman mo talaga, yung choose the person na mas komportable ka. Yung binabalik sa'yo yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya. And that's the right person for you, mga kapatid. Again, the luck is on your side when it comes to multiple people. If you have to choose one of these people, dalawa ba sila? Tatlo? Ikaw ang nasa sayo. Nasa sayo ang susi ng iyong pag-ibig or happiness. This is not the right time to run away from this opportunity. Face it. Harapin mo sila. Piliin mo kung sino ang mas nakakarapat para sa'yo. Because the luck is on your side. This is an opportunity for you to choose the right person for you. Piliin ang tama para sa'yo. You are evolving. And this is, the luck is on your side. You are fulfilling. You know? You are changing. Passion. Love. Your partner will be more expressive. Kung minamanifest mo itong love, travel, friendship, you got it, girl. You got it, guy. And congratulations. Okay? So, move on na tayo. Sana ay masaya kayo sa na-receive nyong mensahe dito or nalaman natin na ano ang swerte na nagsaside sa'yo. Okay? Or ang pumapanig sa'yo at this moment. So, final message from your spirit team, spirit animals natin. Ano ang inyong final message ng ating pile number 1? Kunin natin ito. Okay. Pronghorn, action. This is the first time na nakuha ko ito. So, pile number 1, now is the time to act. Like again, nasabi ko na, diba? The time is ticking. So, now is the time to act. Opportunities are here. So, yeah, guys, confirm na ito. You guys are binigyan kayo ng opportunity ng universe. Ito ang swerte mo. Move forward with confidence. Your talent will always help you land on the pinnacles. Your quick wit and keen senses will lead you to success. So, matalino kayo. Very intuitive, psychic. Follow your intuition. Kung saan kayo masaya, piliin nyo ito. And for about success, kailangan talaga ng action. Hindi uso yung walang ginagawa. Kailangan talaga isakatuparan nyo itong mga pinapangarap ninyo because the universe is giving you swerte. The luck is on your side. You will get this manifestation. Itong love, friendship, travel, new opportunity, evolving about sa sarili mo. And I'm also getting like evolving of your psychic ability. Kung ikaw itong psychic healer, manghuhula, and name it all, spirituality, you are evolving. Okay, pile number 1. So hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. And feel free to leave your comment below. What do you guys think about this reading or pile na napili ninyo? I love you guys, and see you guys next time in my next reading. Bye! Hello, pile number 2. Kamusta kayong lahat dito? So, ang reading natin ngayon is luck is on your side. So, ang swerte ay pumapanig sa'yo. Alamin natin kung aling swerte ang pumapanig sa'yo at this moment. So, again, this reading is timeless. So, whenever you watch this video, Again, paalala ko lang sa inyo, ito ay para sa inyo. If ever na this video appears on social media. Okay, so kamusta kayong lahat? Sana kayong lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Spirit Guide Angels, alamin muna natin yung current energy ng ating mga viewers ng pile number 2. Kamusta ang ating pile number 2? Okay. All done. You know what? Gamitin ko na lang muna siguro yung yung the same cards. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. So, alamin natin yung current energy, pile number 2. If ever na hindi ka nakakarasunod sa reading na ito, itong current energy, meaning, maybe this pile is not for you, or you should choose different pile. Maybe pile number 1. Okay, baka makarasunod kayo. Kung hindi naman, then baka yung buong video ay hindi para sa inyo. Huwag lang tayong magalit at wala tayong bitter dito sa reading na ito or sa YouTube channel ko. Love, love, love lang po tayo dito, mga kapatid. Alright, pile number 2. Okay. Kamusta ang ating pile number 2, Spirit Guide? Alright. The Justice and the Devil. What else? Wow. This is a major arcana. Very powerful. Pile number 2. Who choose number 2? The Moon. This is like about reunite. So again, number 9 stands for, when it comes to spirituality, meaning unity, fulfillment, return, generosity, humanity, and expansion. So pile number 2, you guys are, wow, this is more about like spirituality. I'm getting like more spirituality and your karma. Yeah, you might be in happy mood, or maybe you guys are busy on working on, it could be sa study mo, busy kayo sa pag-aaral, or working on about marriage or paperwork. And someone here are too tired of, siguro sa relationship, meron ditong away-bate or parang magulo na karelasyon, parang naiingayan. I'm getting like naiingayan. Maybe someone here is trying to controlling sa sitwasyon. It could be being in controlled with somebody. Kaya minsan parang napapagod ka na. Someone is controlling you, pile number 2, yung iba sa inyo. Again, this is general reading. Hindi po ito private reading, mga kapatid. Pile number 2, wag lang tayong bitter, ha? Kunin nyo lang po kung saan kayo nakakaresonate. Kung hindi naman, hindi ito para sa iyo. Sa iba ito. Right? So, ang current energy, pile number 2, you might be dealing in a toxic relationship, or hindi naman sa toxic, kasi lahat naman ng relationship, hindi naman siya perfecto. Walang perfecto sa isang relationship. Meron talagang mga trials. Maybe yung iba sa inyo, you are manifesting this happy relationship. Happy family. Kasi justice is about trials, paperwork, marriage. Yung iba sa inyo, pagod ka na siguro when it comes to your partner. Pagod ka ng makinig, pagod ka ng, siguro in general, pagod ka na sa kapartner mo. No? Parang namimiss mo na yung happy moment, yung may freedom ka. You are seeking justice about this freedom. Gusto mo nang kumawala. This could be kumawala sa trabaho, kumawala sa pag-aaral, kumawala sa isang karelasyon, kumawala sa isang tao na siyang may control sa iyo, or kinokontrol ka, or kontrolado ka. You are seeking justice. You are seeking your happiness. Meron naman dito sa inyo na kahit napagod ka na sa relationship, sa pag-aaral, hindi ito kawalan sa iyong kasiyahan. You are still showing your happiness to everybody. You are showing, pinapakita mo yung good vibes mo. Wow, ang ganda ng message dito para sa inyo, pile number 2. And this is who you are. Kahit na may mga struggle ka, busy ka sa pag-aaral, paperworks, marriage, relationship, partner, or siguro sa boss mo, something about boss. Even if all of these circumstances, itong mga tao sa paligid mo, hindi sila kawalan para sa iyong kasiyahan. Wow. You are showing your good vibe, pile number 2. Wala yan. Masaya pa rin ako. I want this freedom. Hindi sila kawalan, which is good, okay? Kahit na yung iba naman sa inyo, you are manifesting this freedom. Something about freedom you are manifesting. Guys, if you are tired about this, siguro sa school, pagod na pagod ka na makinig, pagod na pagod ka na sa pag-aaral mo, or pagod na pagod ka na sa partner mo, or something about na pagod ka na, you are seeking or manifesting this freedom. Soon, matatapos nito. Soon, makakalabas ka na rin. Makakalabas ka na rin sa bahay, makakalabas ka na rin sa something about like situation. It could be also divorce. Maybe you want this divorce if you are married. Maybe that's what you are working for, freedom from this marriage. And you are working about this paperwork na magkaroon ng divorce or matatapos itong divorce na magkakaroon ka na ng freedom. Kasi pagod na pagod ka na. You are done. Okay? I'm getting like someone is so obsessed about you, pile number 2. Or maybe you are obsessed on something. Alright, Spirit Guardians, what is this obsessed about for pile number 2? Obsessed? Anong obsessed? Bakit obsessed sila? Saan itong obsessed? Okay. Pasensya na sa background music natin. Okay, maybe like again, you are obsessed of finding your truth. Yung totoo. Whatever it is, you are obsessed ka na malaman kung ano ang totoo. Because justice is also the truth. Okay? Paperwork. Maybe you are dealing with, I'm getting like, you guys are facing your positive karma. Because at the end of the day, lahat ng mga pagsubok mo, you are getting this happiness, the new beginning. Itong panibagong buhay, panibagong yugto ng iyong buhay. Wow. See, you are moving forward. You are leaving these people behind, a situation. See, you are walking. Okay? Ikaw ay naglalakad patungo sa iyong new beginning. New opportunity. Happiness. You are walking towards happiness. Iyan na you are walking away from this pain. Itong mga sakit, itong mga takot. Okay? Yeah. Your life is moving forward. You are walking towards enlightenment. Okay? Alright. There's a new beginning. I'm getting like, especially when it comes to your finances, you are, it's like, meron mang imbalance, but kaya mo naman ito magiging, o mabalance ito. Yeah. Karamihan sa inyo dito, pile number 2, you guys are facing to a new phase or new beginning. Panibagong yugto. Okay? Panibagong yugto, like again, freedom, new work, new relationship, situation, travel, money, opportunity. Again, you have a chance. You have a chance to manifest. Okay? Kung ikaw itong gusto mo ng pagbabago, itong mga prayers mo, always pray or wish. Mag-wish ka sa mga sa Panginoon or before matulog, or I'm getting like the star. You guys are the star. Something about the star. Itong wini-wish mo, wow, is very powerful here. Itong wini-wish mo, kapatid, o binubulong mo sa Panginoon, o hinihingi mo, you will be soon getting it. You see this? I'm getting like this, the string. They got your back. Alam nila kung ano mga pangangailangan mo. And you deserve this. Like again, 9 is your lucky number. 9, September 9. The luck is on your side. So again, kung ano yung minamanifest mo, isulat ninyo. Kung ano yung pinapangarap nyo, kung ano yung gusto ninyo. And again, the luck is on your side. Pumapanig sa inyo ang inyong swerte. Kung ano itong swerte, i-manifest ninyo. Because you are giving a chance from the universe. Kasi marami ditong pinapangarap ninyo, hinihiling nyo kay universe. Ito money, opportunity, paperwork, freedom, you will be getting this. Wow. Stable finances. Yeah. And I'm also getting like a judgment. Kanina, justice, judgment. Okay, you guys are getting like evolving spirituality. Meron ito nag-i-evolve. Yeah. Or something to do with about spirituality na nagbibigay freedom. You're feeling like enlightenment. Okay, alamin natin kung ano itong tungkol, ano itong swerte na pumapanig sa inyo. Spirit Ranges, anong swerte ang pumapanig sa ating pile number 2? Pile number 2, swerte. Tungkol saan? Meron tayong, okay, your looks, beauty, physical. Yes, you guys are, yung looks ninyo, nagbabago. Mas nagiging, brighten. Mas nagiging masaya kayo. Wala na yung mga, you are moving forward. Okay? I'm getting like, it's from the past. Yung mga kulang sa confident. Okay? So, there's like a boosting. Mas nabuboost ang iyong looks. Physical looks. Ang iyong aura. Yeah. Okay. Ano pa? What else more? Spirit angels. Anong swerte ang matatanggap or nagsaside ng ating pile number 2 whenever they see this reading? At this moment, anong swerte at this moment? Okay? We have here money. Like again, nasabi ko na kanina, di ba? Your money will be, or your finances will be staying stable. An opportunity. Business. Yes. Meron itong, when it comes to your business, mag-improve ito o madadagdagan pa ang iyong business. Magkakaroon ka pa ng maraming mga partnership or working about paperwork sa business. So again, kung hinihiling mo ito kay universe, this is the chance for you to manifest about business, your money. Mas nagiging balance ang iyong finances. You don't have to worry about your money, mga kapatid, because the universe is giving it to you. Swertihin ka sa pera. Pile number 2. Sa looks, physical looks, your beauty, sa pangangatawan, you are staying healthy. You are leaving behind this unhealthy mindset, unhealthy, yung mga kinakain mo, then this is the right time for you to eat healthy, mga kapatid, when it comes to your health. And sa money. Okay? Wow. Money, health, looks, beauty, physical beauty, mas nagiging enlightened. Yeah. Mas naging maaliwalas pang iyong aura. Mas nagiging happy. Yeah. Freedom. Wow. Again, kasi 'di ba, pag once nakikita ng mga tao ang iyong saya, mas doon nila nakikita yung pagbabago. Mas gumaganda ka palagi, mas gumagwapo ka pa palagi. I'm getting like, you look good wearing red. Mas nag-a-attract pa sa'yo. Maybe you, especially yellow and green, and purple and blue. You look good if you are wearing dress, if you are a woman. Watching pile number 2. And yung iba naman sa inyo, mas nagiging macho ka pa pag nakikita ka nilang nakahubad or shirtless. Wow. Ang daming obsessed sa'yo. Mas na-obsess itong mga tao sa paligid mo pag nakikita ka nilang shirtless. Wow. Lalo-lalo na ito ikaw may tattoo. When it comes to your physical looks. Wow. May na-obsess sa'yo, kapatid. Sa iyong tattoo or sa iyong pangangatawan. Lalo-lalo na kung ikaw ay shirtless or mahaba ang iyong buhok. Ano tawag doon? Daumingse, charot. Alright? Okay. So, alamin pa natin sa iyong swerte. Spirit, what else more sa swerte ng ating pile number 2? Okay. So again, the more na pinapakita mo sa mga tao yung saya mo, your smile gives it brightens their day. Pile number 2. Mas na anong tawag doon? Yung pinapakita mong masaya ka, tapos ganun din, sumasaya din sila. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, pile number 2. Ano pa? Sabihin natin yung mga tao sa paligid mo malungkot, tapos masaya ka, and then yung lungkot lang nawawala. You are the person na you are wiping, yung natatanggal mo yung lungkot ng mga tao sa paligid mo. At naibsan ito at napalitan ng tuwa, saya. It's because of you. Yeah. You enlighten a lot of people around you. Yeah, natutuwa. Marami kang mga tao na natutuwa sa paligid mo, pamilya, friends, katrabaho, sa school. Yeah. Maybe you guys are so jolly, happy, good vibes. And again, this is a luck, okay? Swerte. Siswertehin ka when it comes to your happy vibes. More on happy vibes during month of September or whenever you watch this reading. Okay? The golden mirror, self-absorbed, narcissist, one-sided relationship, love bombing. So again, you are moving forward. It's time to let go with these narcissist people. Ito mga controlling. Do not let these people, guys, huwag niyong hayaan na controlling kayo ng mga tao sa paligid mo na napaka-narcissist. You deserve happiness. You deserve freedom. Okay? What else? And again, you guys are moving forward. If you are letting go these people already, kung lumalayo na kayo sa mga taong mahilig mangontrol, itong mga taong or nagbibigay gulo sa buhay mo, karelasyon, friendship, okay? This is the right time for you to moving forward. You are healing. You are letting go these people. Okay? You are successfully reaching your goal na maging happy, freedom. Yeah. You are giving a freedom by from the universe, mga kapatid. This is your luck, your suerte. What else, Spirit Guardians? If you are happy, okay, if you guys are happy from your current job situation, the universe is giving you a chance to free yourself. Okay? Because you deserve happiness, freedom. Again, the luck is on your side. Kung gusto mo magpalit ng panibagong trabaho, siguro sa school, hindi ka masaya, then you have a choice, you have a chance to mag-transfer. Chance mo na magpalit ng panibagong courses or sa trabaho. Ano pa? Spirit Guardians. File number 2. Ano pa? Heartbroken, deeply hurt, sad, separation, breakup, feeling lost, grieving, mourning. So maybe you guys been heartbroken, nasaktan ka, maybe you are still healing. Guys, luck is on your side. You'll be soon removing this pattern, freeing. Soon you will be feeling the freedom from this painful relationship. Feeling lost, maybe you are still grieving from the pain, okay, from loved ones. Siguro hanggang ngayon ay nasaktan ka pa, hindi ka pa nakapag-move on sa mahal mo sa buhay na nawala or recently nawala. But then again, I'm getting like a spiritual message here. You need to be happy. They want to see you happy. Gusto nilang makita kang masaya. Gusto nilang makapag-move on ka na. Dahil masaya naman na sila kung saan sila naroroon. This is about like, this is like a soul message. Your loved one na sumasalangit na. O sumalangit na. They want to see you happy. If you are still grieving, if you are still mourning, hindi ka pa nakapag-move on from the person na nawala sa'yo. They want to see you happy. So guys, pile number 2, your loved ones wants to see you happy. Gusto na makita ka nakapag-move on na dahil masaya naman na sila kung saan sila naroroon and they want to see you happy. Okay? Love call. Someone express love, a message of love, thinking of you and letting you know. Guys, pile number 2, expect this phone call, message, chat, something like that. Someone is going to express their feeling. May magpaparamdam sa'yo, may someone is going to anong tawag doon, ipapakita nila na mahal kanila, or they want to show you or prove na mahal kanila, or this message, love bombing again, there's like a surprise, you will be getting a surprise from this person na, I'm getting like, ang tawag doon, meron dito magko-confess. Someone is going to confess about their feeling. And this give you like, kasi dito, pinapawisan yung kamay ko. Then again, maybe when you see this message, pag na-receive mo itong phone call, confession, masusurprise ka sa taong ito, and this give you like happiness, yung hindi mo ma-express anong nararamdaman mo. Siguro magbigla kang papawisan or papawisin because of this person, how they express their feeling, or magko-confess, and this bring you joy, happiness. So again, the luck is in your side. Maybe you know this person, itong magpaparamdam sa'yo. Maybe you have been waiting for this, and then suddenly, hindi ka makapaniwala sa taong ito. Right? Wow, more on love, more on justice. Again, you will be getting the justice. Kung ano itong hinihiling mo, justice, paperwork, karma. The good karma is on your side. Swerte ka when it comes to your good karma. Okay? Whatever it is, ikaw lang nakakaalam, and you know what it is. You know? So, final message na tayo from your spirit animals. Wow. These are your luck. Ito yung mga swerte. Okay, na pumapanig sa iyo whenever you watch this reading. Okay, so swertehin kayo sa love, admirer, someone is going to confess, an opportunity to transfer new, it could be a relationship, or if you want to travel, the universe is giving you a lot of opportunity. Itong hinihiling mo, itong mga pinapangarap mo, meron itong unlimited dreams na binibigay ng universe sa'yo because you deserve this justice. Itong karma. You are receiving this good karma, pile number 2. Wow. Okay, final message from the universe. Sea turtle protection. You are master of finding life's flow. Be in harmony with the rhythm, and your path will unfold. Preserve and you will succeed. You have everything you need to be protected and happy. So you guys are protected and happy because the universe wants to see you happy and because you deserve this happiness. Wow. So, hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito. And feel free to leave your comment below. Nakakatuwa po na mabasa ko iyon, lahat ng mga positive vibes ninyo sa ating reading na ito or any of my readings. I hope to see you guys on my next reading. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dito. And see you guys next time on my next reading. Bye!